Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in silicon silver. This car's a 4.4 V8. It's next due for a service in June 2022 and has previously had only one owner. You have 22-inch alloys with a silver finish, along with red brake calipers, giving the car a real sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full, and plenty of space there in the boot for things such as holiday luggage, pushchairs, golf clubs, and you can also see your mats ready to go into the car. Going round and towards the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Range Rover scripted tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just if you want some fresh air. You do also have a sunblind which can be pulled all the way across if you wish. Cooler compartment, which is handy for long journeys to keep refreshments cold, or as we enter summer to keep drinks cool in a hot car. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera. You also have heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer, and heated seats in the back, ensuring all your passengers have a luxury journey. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various apps, along with valet mode, enabling you to lock the screens where valets can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. You have controls on your wheel, including the speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control, and you do also have blind spot monitor. All of those are really helpful whilst driving, especially down the motorway. A heated steering wheel, perfect for a cold winter morning. Memory seats, which are ideal if there's several people driving the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 11,715 miles, and stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.